Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have seen about the therapeutic law of nature, and according to that the homeopathic cure we are going to conduct. So here in the aphorism number 34 and 35 we are going to illustrate the correctness of the homeopathic therapeutic law and how the nature itself also it is not going to cure when two dissimilar diseases they are meeting together in the nature. Firstly, from the aphorism number 34, we will see what happens when the medicines they have been administered in the human being. As the therapeutic law of nature, it is going to say that a weaker dynamic affection is permanently extinguished by a stronger one. Here, when the medicine it is administered in the human being, it is having the capability to produce greater strength of artificial disease. That is the capability of homeopathic medicine. And because of this capability, the medicine it is having the capability to cure the natural disease. And when it is possible, as the medicine it is having this capacity, there should be the capability of medicine. The medicine should capable of producing artificial disease as similar to the previous disease which is existing in the human being. Means this is the capability of medicine to produce greater intensity of the artificial disease, and this capability of medicine we are going to use in the patient who is suffering from natural disease, and this property of medicine it is used in that patient as a very similar artificial disease in that person. So as similar as possible the picture of that medicinal properties it is administered in the deceased person, and that capability it is going to cure the disease. And now in the next aphorism, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann has explained about what happens when two dissimilar natural diseases they are meeting together in the person. What happens in nature when two dissimilar natural diseases meeting together in the nature? The purpose of explaining this thing here in the aphorism, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann wants to explain the correctness or the usefulness of the therapeutic law of nature. As in the nature itself, there is no capability to cure the disease when there is presence of two dissimilar conditions in the same person. This condition, which is when two dissimilar diseases they are present in human being, we are going to see in the three conditions. This explanation it is in the next aphorisms, but here Dr. Samuel Hahnemann says that as this condition is when two dissimilar diseases they are present in the human being, if one it is a weaker, another it is stronger, there is no cure of weaker disease. There is manifestation of one remaining disease in that person. So according to this law, only the homeopathic medicines they are having the capability to cure the natural disease in human being. Nature itself it cannot cure the disease by the presence of two natural conditions which are dissimilar to one another. One is weaker and one is stronger. Here is the important thing which has been compared to the therapeutic law of nature. Only the homeopathic medicine they can cure the disease, and in the nature, although this condition it has been observed, there is no cure of a natural disease in a human being. And related to this, we will discuss the three conditions from the next aphorism onwards. Thank you.